Alright guys, in this quick video, I'm going to show you how to add your categories to the sidebar. So we're going to be using the classic editor as well as the block editor on Gutenberg. So let's get started. Alright guys, so on this, as you can see on this website here, there is no category in our sidebar. So I want to add our category to this sidebar right here. So using the classic editor and the block editor, so that if in the case you are using the block editor, you can easily do that. And in case you are using the block classic editor, so you can easily do that. So let's go to our dashboard right here. And before you add your category to the sidebar first, you want to add your category to your website. So let's add some categories first. So from here you can add any category that you like for your website, so on and so forth. If you want to get any idea of your category, you want to use the wealthy affiliate niche finder. So get some category for your website. Let's go to the wealthy affiliate platform. If you want to check the platform out, the link is down below in the description, so you can check the website out. So when you sign up for the platform, you want to register your name and fill up your profile. Then you have access to this tool set, so that you can use it to find category for your website. So here is the niche finder right there. So let's say my website is about coffee. So I want to write coffee inside this box here. So let's say my website is about organic coffee. And you want to click here and find categories for your website. So from here you can take this as your category: organic fair trade coffee, organic shade grown coffee, organic decaffeinated coffee. So all this you can use it for your as your categories. You can just copy it like this and go to your website here and add it here and add to category. So when you write about organic fair trade coffee, you add this category to it. When you add any post, let's add also this one, organic blend coffee, and add it to the category. Let's add more here. Let's add organic dry roast coffee and add to category. Now that we've added our category here, let's go back and add it to the sidebar. So to add it to the sidebar, I want to go to widgets here, appearance, and go to widgets. So now we are using the classic editor for this. So now you want to find your categories here. Here's our categories. So here's our categories right here. So now we've added to the sidebar right here. And another way to add it is you just drop it. You just drag and drop it here like that. So that's how you do it. Just drag it here. From here you can add also gallery here if you like. You can add navigation menu. Anything you like, you just drag it here and drop it down there. Let's say I want to add calendar here. Just drag it in and drop it there. Let's say I want to add search. Just drag it here and drop it there. Now we have categories, calendar, and search. So now let's check out how our website looks like. As you can see, we have categories, calendar, and the search button right here. So the categories are not yet showing up because we've never written any post. We don't have any post on this blog. By the time we start to blog on the website, the category is gonna show up here. So here is the category right here. So now let me show you how you add category using the block editor. So let's go back to our dashboard right here. So I want to change the setting. You want to change the settings of this website. So let's go to settings. So you want to go to written. We are going to be using the block editor to edit our post now. So we are going to be using the block editor as our default for our default editing software. So okay, and it saves change down below. So now let's go to widget again. Let's go to widget. So this is the sidebar right here. To add category right here at the sidebar, you want to click here, this button here. So you want to add block. Then you write category. This is the category list here. And the category has been added. Let's remove the first one right there. So as you can see, the website does not have any post. So on the app post, you are going to be showing up. The category is going to be showing up when we started to post to the website. So now let's update this website here. So now let's view the website. So now we have our category right here, the search here. We have the date, the search, and the category down below. So when we start to add post to this website, the category is going to be showing down. Let's say let's add a new post here just for this tutorial. Let's add category here. Alright. Now let's view our post here. So now we have our category right there. As you can see, this is our category set. So we have our the calendar, the search that we had, and the category right here. So that's how you add categories to your sidebar. If you have any question about this video here, please let me know down below. Subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace.